Today I'm taking a look at the WORKPRO 3-pack compact utility folding knife set. Kind of a neat way to hold them. So right now it does not pull open. We got a push button right here, and there's a fairly nice feeling motion to it as well. It's a fairly basic set. It's basically a piece of sheet metal that holds our blade holder on it, but that is really all you need in a utility knife. The most important thing is going to be that it has a nice sharp blade in it, and the rest of this is just a handle. What I do like is that it actually has this little cutout right here, so we can kind of hold onto it with our fingers, so we don't have to worry about this thing slipping out of our hands. And I also just really like the fact that this actually has a nice motion to it. There's a lot of blades, when you get them brand new, they will not open and close like this. Like, you actually have to grab the thing and force it open and close. It does have a clip on it, and it has a quick change mechanism. So all I gotta do is take our fingernail, put it under that tab, and then we can pull our blade out. These are WORKPRO branded blades. I've used these before. These are very good blades. And then it's just a matter of fitting it in between there, pulling it back up, and locking it back in. So very easy to use. Now, as far as size difference is concerned, see, my primary knife is a lot bigger. It is a lot easier to hold on to. The only issue I have with this thing is just that I use it all the time and I end up losing it. Having a 3-pack means that even if I lose one, I'll still know exactly where 2 more are. It's also worth keeping in mind, when it folds up, this is a much tinier package. So what that means, if you want to put this in like a bag or a backpack, something like that, this is going to be a much better choice. So what I use these things most often for is opening up boxes. And as expected, that works no problem. Looks like we do have a little bit of variety there in the paint patterns, so if you want to make sure that you got one just for one person, you'll still be able to identify them. Utility knives are my favorite style of blade, just because in the event that this ever goes dull, I just take that guy out, replace it. Even sometimes flip it around is good enough. As long as I got something like this, I will never have to resharpen it. I always just replace them. This is my favorite style of blade. So overall, that is an excellent set of blades.